Hello. I don't know what to say anymore because Pixie's barking. I don't know what to say anymore because Pixie! I don't know what to say anymore because I have to change the name of my YouTube channel because Risame is now a name that is not like the greatest to have. So I'm still in the process of trying to figure that all out, but I did my rebranding photo shoot today. Looking good. And put my hair up in a ponytail because it was bugging me. But anyways, welcome to this video where I'm going to clean out my closet. When I was on my mission, my whole room was packed up and now it's not. While I was unpacking, I was like, why do I have so many clothes? You know, as a missionary, you live out of 3 suitcases. I'm used to having like a very minimal collection of clothing and items in general. So this video is just gonna be me going through my closet and getting rid of things that I don't see myself wearing in the future because I've also changed a lot and I want to change up my style. Let's go down to wow. Okay, you're gonna see like the organization of how I organize my closet. So this right here is all of my tops and sweaters and stuff like that. Okay, so this is kind of like my maybes slash don't want. So now I have to separate them into don't wants. I've held on to this shirt for a really long time. It's like super comfy and cozy. I usually just wear it on like Thanksgiving and like fancy occasions kind of thing, but like it's not my style and that's the only time I wear it, and I feel like I need to be more conforming to my style. So bye bye. This is low-key so easy. Let's move on to my jackets and stuff. Albuquerque hoodies. I have a lot of hoodies, which I feel like it's a problem, but they all have sentimental value and they're all comfy in different ways. So I have to keep them. Let me have this one thing. Dresses and skirts. These first 5 dresses I'm keeping because they're brand spanking new. I'll show you them real quick. So there's this like jersey one, and then this one kind of looks like a kimono when it's on, but I love the color. And there's this one, and this one, and this one. Cuties. I wore dresses like every single day for 18 months, and so I needed new dresses because I left them all in Albuquerque because I didn't want to bring them home because they did not bring me joy and I never wanted to wear them again. So I only kept very few from the mission. This is one of the only dresses that I brought home because I love it so much. My grandma made me this skirt. It's so cute. I love it. It's my favorite skirt. This is the dress that I've had my whole mission, and surprisingly, I'm not over it. I still love it a lot. This is the dress that I came home in. It's so cute. I love it. I need to fix it though because there's some holes in it. Okay, so that was the clothes part of the closet, the giveaway pile. Woohoo! I need to take all the hangers off. Let's go through the drawers. that's all of my clothes. That went a lot faster than I thought it was going to. Why do I feel like there was gonna be more to this video? I'm also so sad because if anybody remembers this, I used to wear it all the time, and I get home and it's like yellow around the places where I would sweat, like even in the armpits. Gross. If it wasn't stained horribly, I would keep it. Editing this a couple days later and realized that I didn't end the video. So hopefully you enjoyed watching me clean out my closet. Donated the clothes, so yay. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all later. Peace.